Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity Axie Stats Explanation. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding Axie stats is crucial to building a strong team and winning battles. To start, each Axie has 6 base stats: health, morale, speed, skill, and 2 types of attack and defense. Health represents the Axie's overall well-being, while morale affects its ability to use special abilities. Speed determines the order of turns in battle, and skill influences the Axie's critical hit chance. The 2 types of attack are melee and ranged, and the 2 types of defense are physical and magical. Melee attack is used for close-range combat, while ranged attack is used for long-range attacks. Physical defense protects against melee attacks, and magical defense protects against ranged attacks. When evaluating an Axie's stats, consider the following key concepts: balance, synergy, and strategy. A balanced Axie has well-rounded stats, while synergy refers to the interaction between an Axie's stats and its abilities. Strategy involves choosing Axies with stats that complement each other and fit your overall game plan. For example, an Axie with high health and physical defense is ideal for tanking or absorbing damage, while an Axie with high speed and melee attack is suited for dealing massive damage quickly. When building a team, aim for a mix of Axies with different stats and abilities to create a well-rounded team. Best practices for managing Axie stats include regularly checking and updating your Axie's stats, experimenting with different team combinations, and adapting to new strategies and updates. By understanding and optimizing your Axie stats, you can improve your gameplay and increase your chances of winning battles in Axie Infinity.